I'm at the train station visiting a YouTuber. I'm actually pumped right now. Every time I get a chance to leave the house, I'm super happy. I just want to share something I went through last couple months. It was probably the biggest mistake I made. Here we go.
Hey. Hi,
Okay.
I am Sergio. I am a content creator. What are you working on today, man?
Working on making Oona a little better to let you test even more variations, more thumbnails, more titles, and that's what I'm working on. Make it super easy for you to run a test with 10 thumbnails or however thumbnails you want it, and just see result one click.
Because I heard that, like you said, Mr. Beast does 10 thumbnails per 2 weeks or something.
Yeah, 10 thumbnails in 10 days.
That's crazy.
That's insane.
Yeah, because I also used Oona, and this is according to the test, this is the better thumbnail. Like, we personally thought that this was the better one, but according to the numbers, this is the one that's hitting the algorithm just the right way.
A lot of times, pretty thumbnails doesn't mean anything. You have to test it out and see what resonates with the audience, and that's what we see. If you just upload these two thumbnails to ChatGPT, it will tell you, the first one is better.
That's also, I did that.
No, it happened to me too one time. I had a very good video and I thought it's gonna go, it was gonna do very well, and I was designing a thumbnail just to make the thumbnail better according to ChatGPT. It was the worst variation.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
So you don't always trust ChatGPT, I guess.
You have to test it with the real audience.
The viewers this year, man. They might click out. The click-through rate will drop.
So I just want to share a little bit what I went through the last couple months. I haven't been posting much, and honestly, I haven't been working much. I think long story short, I burned out. And I think this was probably the biggest mistake I made. Earlier this year, I joined 2 startup programs. A lot of fun building side by side with a lot of amazing founders and developers. I even got selected as the top 1% of the startup founder to pitch to international VCs. It was quite a big deal for me. I'm very grateful, and I had a lot of fun doing it. During the programs, I had this underlying feeling that it was getting harder and harder to stay motivated and to wake up with a plan, how I want to attack the day. And right after I pitched, my mood took a dive, and all of a sudden I felt so tired. I couldn't do anything. I tried to work through it. I tried to rest as much as possible, fighting this situation. Of course, the efficiency wasn't quite there. Things were piling up, and I felt the pressure, especially financially. So I decided to take some time off, recover. Now I'm back. I think mental health for founders is such an important topic that people don't talk about enough. I would love to read your thoughts in the comment. I saw a clip from Tim Ferriss talking about a concept called state, story, strategy.
State, story, strategy. What happens to many people who are depressed or anxious or whatever is they sit down and they try to figure out how to fix the thing. The challenge there is that if you're looking at the world through gray glasses, the story that you're going to come up with is going to be most likely a disabling story. And then you're going to come up with strategies that are by and large pretty ineffective.
That really helped me to start getting better, feeling better. I hope it's helpful for you. I'll learn from this time, let go of the past, and start trying something new. Coffee and huge croissant.
But Daw-Chih is visiting me today in Dortmund City, Dortmund, Germany. Very beautiful place. If you're ever in Germany, come through. Not much here, to be honest, but we're doing some co-working. Talking about oona, actually.
What's your honest feedback?
Yeah, because I've been using oona for about two videos, 2 weeks now, I would say.
Yeah.
And it's a good product. Like, for someone like me, I don't really understand analytics too well. Like now I'm about to click analyze on one of my videos and it gives you a bunch of suggestions on how do you do the thumbnail, the descriptions, that sort of thing. My feedback would be like fixing random small bugs. What is oona? Like, where did you get the name oona from?
Oona is actually a wordplay of oolong, like oolong tea,
Yeah, like Taiwanese tea.
Taiwanese tea. Yeah, something my parents love. So,
Okay.
So I just wanted to.
Like
yeah.
a homage.
Huh?
Like a tribute to
Yeah,
your parents,
exactly,
I guess.
exactly. Yeah.
Oh, that's quite nice, man. That's quite nice. I think oona is a good tool for creators. You told me like big creators like Mr. Beast cycle through 10 thumbnails for 10 days.
Yeah.
And I've been seeing Yes Theory. Do you know Yes Theory?
Oh yeah.
I've been seeing this. It changes like every few hours. I didn't even think about it. All of this, I just never paid attention to it. I met you, and then I'm like, okay, these guys are actually experimenting. And it's completely different packaging, different thumbnails, different titles.
Always testing. I think that's very important.
Testing is key. Ever since like I started focusing on that, I've gotten some good results out of it. So
You want to show like?
Sure. Like with this video, I mean, like let's just start from the bottom, yeah? Like this was before. With this thumbnail where there's literally nothing. And it's like 500 views, 900. I mean, it's doing well, it's okay. And then as soon as I like did something different with the thumbnail, I tested different variations of oona. Like I got 18,000 of this one, 6,000.
Yeah.
Like it's decent. This shit's almost done. It's crazy because my first channel ever in my life.
Yeah.
It took like a year and a half to even push 500 because I didn't pay attention to packaging, the thumb. I didn't give I just never researched or like compared any data, and it's like the big